another minute to win it game for you. So I roamed around the whole church, and sadly, there are no little children up here. But I did find the two biggest kids in our entire church. First, we have in this corner Mr. Chicken, and he is well known by our students of our school. He has been in our glow runs and single-handedly earned $1,000 for our school. Mr. Chicken, and this is Mr. Stephen Woolright, of course, you know him as our worship leader here at Lady First Baptist Church. And in this corner, we have the Easter Bunny, a.k.a. our senior pastor, Brother Joshua McDonald, and he also does karate, apparently. But he is well known, sadly, by our Mother's Day out children, where only one short year ago, he terrified them in this very outfit. He's also known in Gringos to be in this outfit, and there's no telling where else he's known it. It could be kind of scary. But okay, now that we know our contestants, we're going to go over the rules. So what you will need is 3 TV trays, 9 glasses of water, and 2 different colored ping pong balls. If you only have white ping pong balls, you can just mark half of them with an X or something with a Sharpie or something, okay? So the goal of the game is they have 1 minute. I will set my phone, and you're going to try to get a tic-tac-toe. So if you don't get a tic-tac-toe in 1 minute, then we'll just go with whoever has the most ping pong balls that landed actually in the water glasses. Are we ready, contestants? You may remove your head